It's time for nature studies. It's time for nature studies. Birds and bees and plants and trees. It's time for nature studies. Welcome, everyone. Let's have some fun.
Today we're going to use our bodies in nature. What I've done is I've had someone draw around my body with sidewalk chalk, and then I'm going to make my body using things from nature. I'm going to look around my backyard, find sticks and stones and grass and leaves, and see if I can make my body from these nature items. I hope you have fun. I'm going to show it to you a little bit at a time, and then hopefully you can do this at home too. So here's the outline of my body again, and I thought I'd show you what I've gathered up so far. You can see there's a pile of rocks and a pair of scissors. That's for cutting grass and leaves or anything that I might want in the future. And in the back, I've got some large sticks. Not big tree trunk sticks, but long sticks, because I'm going to need them for my arms and my legs. So I'm going to get started now, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Now my arms and legs are in place, and I've got to decide how am I going to make my body. So let me give that some thought, and I'll be back. So I continued with my use of sticks to outline my body shape and bring my arms and my body together at the shoulders. You can see where the bigger stick ends and joins my body. That would be the shoulder. I also used a few little sticks to add fingers at the ends of my arms. What shall I do next? I think I'm going to make some shoes. So I'll move down here to my feet. And make some shoes. I think I'm done with sticks for now. I'm going to try some rocks. So I'll be back. I have shoes. I used rocks to outline my foot, and then I found a long piece of grass and used it for a bow, like my shoelace. Did that on both of the feet. Well, now I think I'll go from the bottom to the top and see what I can do with my head. Let's see what I can find. I decided to give myself a headband of flowers. So I used a few of my little azaleas that I had left. And then, as you all know, I have very curly hair. So I used the shamrocks to finish out my hair. Now, just my face, eyes, nose, and mouth, and I'll be done. The wind is starting to blow, so I hope this stays together. See you in just a minute. How's that for a happy smile? I added some eyes, some eyebrows, a nose, and a pink mouth. Does it look like me? Maybe. You can let me know. All right, I'm going to back up and show you the whole body. So here's the finished product. From toes to head. I had a lot of fun. I can't wait to see yours. Don't forget you can email them to me at lsmith@parishschool.org. I hope to see them.